Nini ni usumbua watu? Anyways, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe so that you get notified every time I post the video. Now this guy Ringtone has just renewed his beef with Willy Paul. Yeah, this is after he shared a photo there and he branded Willy Paul that he's a dark force in the gospel industry. Okay, this is why it all started. On Monday, this guy called Ringtone through his Instagram page posted a video there, and this is what he wrote exposing Willy Paul, and he went ahead to tag the bloggers akina Gafla, SD Mseto na Mpasha zote, and this is the video right here.
Guys, a few minutes ago I just sent somebody 20 shillings and his name is Will Pose or Will Paul, and the names that came on my M-Pesa were Wilson Abubakar. And guys, let me tell you, I've been in prayer and fasting asking God to tell me or show me what the problem has been in our gospel music industry in Kenya. And today I am excited and very happy that God has shown me the reason. There has been confusion.
Now in the video, this guy is saying that Willy Paul is not even how he calls himself, because he said his real name is Abubakar Rapado. And he went ahead to say on Instagram stories that this is a gospel artist from Kenya called Abubakar Rapado, hashtag Willy Paul, showing demonic signs on his hands. This agent of darkness has to leave the church. He posted a photo there of Willy Paul while shirtless. Now people are going ahead to criticize him, saying that akona umama sana, considering nowadays he has been so vocal when it comes to scandals. Yeah, ni yeye expose kila kitu. The story of Hattie and Mr. Said ni yeye alikuja nayo. The story of DJ kwenye beat after he was hospitalized ni yeye alikam nayo. I don't know where this beef will end up. So what do you think about this beef? Mse amekuwa vocal sana, ana umama vipi? Drop your comment down there in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, see you guys.